Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last session, we see the different types of fractions. Okay, the proper fraction, improper fraction, then mixed fraction. Okay, and like fraction, unlike fraction. Okay, and again we see how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. So today we see finding equivalent fraction. Okay, and equivalent fraction means, see here, two fractions are said to be equivalent if they have same value. Okay, we already know that. Suppose this is paper. Okay, this is one paper. I shaded this part. Okay, we get here how many equal parts? Here we get, out of two we get one shaded part, means half. Then see again, suppose again we take the same paper. Okay, then now we make four equal part and two parts are shaded. Now what is the fraction of this folded paper? Total parts are 4 and 2 are shaded part, so we get here 2/4. And then next again we take same paper. Now we fold the paper into 6 equal part. Okay, see here, this half fold, 1 2 and 3. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here are 3 part are shaded here. Now here we get here total 6 part and 3 part are shaded. Okay, so in this shaded part of in all three square, all three diagram is are equal. See here, this is 1/2 equal to 2/4 equal to 3/6. How? Suppose we divide this number. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get here same answer. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So we get the answer 1/2, 1/2 and 1/2. Means the fractions are said to be equivalent if they have same value. So these all fractions have a same value. So these fractions are equivalent. Okay, these are what is meant by equivalent fraction. Now we see how to find the equivalent fractions. To find the equivalent fraction, multiply or divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction by non-zero number or other than 1. Okay, so here we multiply or divide to numerator and denominator. Okay, by non-zero number means the other than 0 and 1. Okay, so here how to find? Suppose we take a one example here. Suppose we find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 6, 3/5. Okay, 3/5. This is fraction. Now we find the equivalent fraction. Okay, so how to find the equivalent fraction? So we multiply or divide. So we first we multiply. Okay, this is already prime number. You know that now, prime number. So this number is not divided again. This 3 is prime number, 5 again prime number. So we multiply the number by non-zero number, other than non-zero number or 1. Okay, so we start from 2. So we first take 2. 3, both numerator multiply or divide to numerator and denominator both. Okay, 3 multiply by 2, 5 multiply by 2. So what is your answer? 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So we get the answer 6/10. Okay, now we take next fraction. Okay, now we multiply by 3. 5, both numerator and denominator same number. Okay, here first we multiply by 2, then now we multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator. 3 threes are 9, 5 threes are 15. Okay, now next number is this 2, this 3. Now we take 4. 3 fours are and 5 fours are. 3 fours are 12, 5 fours are 20. Now next number is 3 fives are and 5 fives are. 3 fives are 15, 5 fives are 25. Again, suppose we find the next equivalent fraction. Now we take next number 6, and this is 5. 6, 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. Now we get how many equivalent fractions here? The equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. So here we get first equivalent fraction 6 10. Okay. Then 9 15. Okay. Then next fraction 12 20. And next fraction 15 upon 20 and 18 upon 30. Okay, these are how many fraction we get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equivalent fraction of 3/5. Okay, so we get here when we divide all this number 3, 6, 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Okay, here 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So when we divide all this number, we get same value, that is 3/5. Okay, so this type of fraction is called equivalent fraction. Now in this way we find the equivalent fraction by multiplying. First we see the multiplying numerator and denominator by same number. Okay, now see one more example. Now we see here we find first 3 equivalent fraction of fraction is given. Okay, suppose the fraction is 1/5. Okay, then again we solve this first. Okay, 1/5. How to solve this? So we multiply the given fraction by 2. We start from 2. 1 2s are and 5 2s are. So we get here 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, next 1 3s are and 5 3s are. 1 1s are 3, 1 3s are 1. So we get here 3, sorry. 1 3s are 3 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, then next 1 4s are and 5 4s are. 4 1s are 4 and 5 4s are 20. So here we get equivalent fractions of 1/5 is equal to 2 10, then 3 15 and 4 20. These are the first three equivalent fraction, this 1, 2 and this 3 of 1/5. Now we take one more example here. Suppose we take a number 2 and then 7. Okay, this is 2 7. Now you have to again find the first three equivalent fraction. Again, what will we do? We do first multiply the number 2 2s are. Okay, first multiply by 2, both numerator and denominator. 2 7 2s are. Okay, we multiply the numerator and denominator both by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 7 2s are 14. Then next 3. Now we multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator. 2 3s are and 7 3s are. 3 2s are 6 and 7 3s are 21. Okay, then next again, now next number this 2 3 and now 4. We multiply by 4 both 2 numerator and denominator. So we get here 2 4s are 8 and 7 4s are 28. So we get how many equivalent fraction here? This 1, this 2 and 3. So right here equivalent fractions of 2 7 are 4 14, 6 21 and 8 28. Okay, these in this way we find the equivalent fraction by multiplying numerator and denominator by same number. Okay, now we see how to find the equivalent fraction by dividing the number, dividing numerator and denominator. Now see how to find the equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now this is 4, 8. Both are composite number. Okay. This is not prime number. Both numbers are divided by 2 because both numbers are even number. Okay. So both numbers are divided by 2. This 4 is even number, 8 again even number. So first we divided 4. Now numerator also divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So we get here equivalent fraction 2/4. Now again see here, both are even number. 2 is even number and 4 again even number. So these both number again divided by 2. So again you have to divide both the number by 2. Okay, we divided by same number again. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So what is your answer? We get here 1/2. Okay, this is next equivalent fraction. So what are the fractions we get here? 4, 8. So see here directly when we convert into lowest form, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so here we solve this example step by step. Okay, here we get first equivalent fraction these 2 4 2 4, then second equivalent fraction 1/2. Okay, now suppose we take greater number now. See, now number is 27 and 81. Now see here, now you have to check the number. Both numbers are, which number? These are odd numbers. See, last number is 7 and here one's place is 1. So both numbers are odd number. This number not divided by 2. So we check the next divisibility rule. आपको भी now you have to check the number by 3. 2 plus 7. How much? 2 plus 7? 9. Okay, 9 is divided by 3. Okay, now you have to check this denominator also. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 again 9. So both the number are divided by 3. So you have to divide this number by 3. See, 3 nines are 27. Then 81. Solve this. 3 2s are 6. 1 reminder. 3 7s are 21. Okay, we get here 0 0 reminder. Means we get answer 27. Okay, now again, now we get this first equivalent fraction. This is first equivalent. Then again see 9 and 27 both are divided by, again divided by 3. दोनों टेबल कौन से दोनों नंबर 3 के टेबल में आएंगे. सो यू हैव टू अगेन डिवाइड दिस नंबर बाय 3. 9 and 27 both the number are divided by 3. Now 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. This is your second equivalent fraction. Again see 3 and 9. Again both the number are divided by 3. So again this number is divided by 3. Both the number 3 and 9. So here we get answer 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. And this is lowest form of this fraction. After that we cannot divide this number again. Okay, see both are prime number 1 and 3 and this number is not divided again. So here we get the equivalent fractions of 27. कौन कौन से मिले हमें? 9 27, 3 9th and 1/3. Okay, these are the equivalent fraction of 27 and 81. Okay, now we solve the exercise 4.1. See, question number 1 is multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, here already number is given, so you don't need to find the equivalent fraction multiplying by 2. Okay, so we directly take multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 in each of the following fraction to get an equivalent fraction. So how to solve this question? So 4 3. So you have to write this number in your notebook. You have to solve this exercise in your notebook. Okay, so you have to take this, write this number 4 7, then multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator. So we get here equivalent fraction. 4 3s are 12. I write here answer. 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. So we get the answer 12 21. Okay. See here in board. Now we take suppose next number B. Okay. Now 3 fifth. Now how to solve this? 3 multiplied by 3, both the numerator and denominator, and 5 multiplied by 3. What is your answer? 3 3s are 9, then 5 3s are 15. So we get the equivalent fraction 9 upon 15. Okay, this is your answer. In this way you have to complete this question in your notebook. Now see question number 2. Match each part in first row with their correct option in second row. Here first row and this is second row. So you have to find this. 3 fifth. What is 3 fifth? This is 40 minutes, 45 and 75, mixed fraction, and 3, 8 and 11. See here. So what is this 3 fifth? So 3 fifth, when we multiply the 3 fifth is we find here equivalent fraction. Okay, so how to find? When we multiply this 3 15 and 5 15. So we get here answer 15 3s are 45 and 15 5s are 75. So here we get equivalent fraction 45 upon 75. So here you have to write the answer second number. Okay, second number. Then B 41 upon 11. So how to find the pair? See here in this row this is 11. Here denominator is 11 and here again this denominator is 11. Means this is improper fraction, and when we solve this improper fraction we get this type of mixed fraction. Okay, you have to solve these questions. Here 41 divided by 11. 11 3s are 33. Then 11 minus 3 we get here 8. 3 minus 3 we get 0. Okay, now here we get 8 remainder. We write here 3 is the quotient. Write first quotient, this is remainder and this is divisor. So this is B. You have to match with 4, mixed fraction. Okay, quotient, remainder and divisor. Then 3 fifth of 1 hour. 2/3 of 1 hour. Okay, 2/3 of means multiply, and 1 hours means कितने आएंगे 60 minute. You have to convert this hour into minute. 60 minute. So you have to solve this. यहाँ पे multiplication sign है. This is multiplication. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and this 0 we add. So here we get 20 multiplied by 2. How much? 40 minutes. So first, this is first option. So you have to write here first. You have to solve this all exercise in your notebook. Okay. Then D. Now you have to, this is mixed fraction. So we have to convert in, here is mixed fraction is given. So this is example of mixed fraction. So you have to write 3 number. Okay. In this way you have to complete this question number 2. Okay, in your notebook. And see third number, fill in the boxes. So 4, here 5, 4 fifth. This is fraction is given. You have to find the equivalent fraction. So 5 के टेबल में 20 कब आएंगे? When we multiply by 4. 5 4s are 20. So numerator also multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 upon 20. Then now 4. अभी 4 12. 4 के टेबल में 12 कब आएंगे? 4 3s are 12. So again you have to multiply numerator by 12. 5 3s are 15. Then next number is 28. 4 7s are 28. So here denominator also multiply by 7. 5 7s are 35. Then next number is 50. 5 tens are 50. So here we multiply by 10. So numerator also multiply by 10. 4 tens are 40. So in this way you have to complete question number 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. Okay. This is your today's homework. Thank you.